Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to review the brand new Xiaomi Band 8. We will be seeing what we have in the box, the design, what materials are made of, and what options we have in the software. We will run some tests and try some of the measurements and see if this watch is worth buying. In the next video, we'll see how to connect these with Android and iOS, which app it uses, and what options we have in these apps. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Compared with its predecessor, the packaging of the Xiaomi Smart Mi Band 8 is almost unchanged except for some patterns and texture, and the accessories inside the package are almost the same. We have the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 body, a manual, a strap and a magnetic charging cable. This is the new Xiaomi Smart Band 8. Although its size is very close to its predecessor, but if we look closer we will find many differences. The first and most important thing is that the band is no longer completely wrapped around the strap. It now has a new structure that supports quick removal. Like a traditional watch, you can remove one side of the strap from the band by pressing the snap and pulling it outwards. The Xiaomi Mi Band 8 has the same 1.62-inch AMOLED display as its predecessor and the bezel doesn't get narrower, but thanks to the new powerful processor, it can now drive the screen to a refresh rate of 60 Hz. Xiaomi Smart Band 8 now supports up to more than 150 sports modes, the most interesting one being aerobic boxing. Thanks to the built-in acceleration sensor, we now have what is probably the world's lightest sensory gaming device. Xiaomi Smart Band 8 also has another useful proprietary accessory called the Bean Pod. It allows you to attach your Mi Band to your laces to better track your stride frequency, stride length, and even the impact of your foot on the ground while running. You have to connect it first to use it and we will see that in the next video. We are seeing the Band 8 here powered on and ready to use. At the top we have notification, down we have the menu which we will find stats, workout where we will find running, walking, freestyle, hiking, cycling, treadmill, jump rope, swim and many more like we mentioned before. Next in the menu is activity, running, status, heart rate, pi, blood oxygen, sleep, stress, weather, alarm, Alipay, settings where we have running mode. Here we can change to pebble mode where you can wear your necklaces or even strap it on your running shoes. Very good thing from Xiaomi to include new things on their bands. Next we have band display where we can change the watch faces. We can do this from the app to where we have more options. At display is brightness, auto lock, raise to wake, screen on, always on display and cover to sleep. After that we have vibration, do not disturb, app notification, auto detect, preferences where we find where method, press and hold screen and lock screen. Back in settings is pin, battery, system and about band. In more we have events, alerts, breathing, stopwatch, music, find phone, world clock, camera, timer, flashlights and focus. These are all the options and things we will have on Band 8. Now it's time to test some of the things that we saw on this band and let's see how it will perform. Let's begin with workout and try walking mode. We have a 3-second countdown. At the top we have the timer, next we have kilometers, heart rate and heart rate zone with colors, pace, calories, cadence, steps and average pace. These are the options for a simple sport and they are very similar to other Xiaomi bands. Next let's measure the heart rate. It begins immediately and it does not take too long to show some results. You can see now we even have a chart to see and the result is on the bottom. After that is blood oxygen, again pretty similar to other measurements. It shows the percentage on the bottom and it's a fast result. Stress took a little bit longer than others but again not too much. We can see the result and as always all these results will be saved on the app. In health options is breathing too that we can use. We think that Xiaomi did make some small changes but in general the Band 8 is similar with previous bands. Again for a band it has many options and things to see and do. In general this band is very good and useful. Like always, we like Xiaomi products. So, guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video with another smart device.